Hello, Michael from Crypto One Methods, coming to you with a live trading session. I'm going to jump in. I've got some alerts to show you old and new, and I'm just going to get in on this coin here. We just had this from 16905 from some new alerts, which I can't show you on the screen. The server's only connected to my phone at the minute. The 15-minute alerts I can show you on Discord. I've got two strategies on the go at the minute. I'll show you the other one in a bit, but this one is more of a scalping. I'm also just trailing stop loss with Binance with just $10 here. So we've gone in on VET on a longer term alert. We need 16955. This alert is a middle Bollinger Band breach with a green candle, and then the next green candle starts below and breaches the middle Bollinger going up. We see this time and time again here. It breaches, it goes up, it breaches. That wouldn't have been an alert because that's come down, but we've also got the reverse. So candle above breaches, comes down. So let me get that profit in. We offer all of the tools, resources, support for you in a link below. The only thing we charge for are the trade alerts. So this is VEC coin here, 955, $100. Been doing well over the past few days, testing these alerts, just with a $100 to $200. A few differing amounts in there, and we are looking to make 50% on our money every day. So turn 100 to 50 into 150, 1,000 into 1,500, whatever amount you want to use. And just using a 15% scalping strategy at 50 leverage, which is a 0.3% move. Stop protection at 0.5, 25%. And we've done 155% return on our money, and C1M number, which is the average. Planned is 5, and we're on 7, so that's good. Some of the losses, that was a big loss. Some of them I've come out a little bit early because I'm not liking the look of them. Some of them were correct. Some of them, that one would have been profit. These ones weren't, and these two were. These are on the new hour alerts, which are really looking tasty. This is continuation momentum trading. So we're kind of saying, this has made a big move on the hours through the middle Bollinger Band. And we get alerted as soon as that comes through. And we're just going to jump on. I've kind of moved from lesser picking reversals to more jumping on the train of which way it's going. So we'll come back and check in with this coin in just a second. Okay, back. And fortunately or unfortunately, I had a delivery and a phone call. And the trade, it was looking a little bit dicey here. So I actually came out exactly what I got in for. But it would have come in if I'd have left it. It's already hit 16956, and we needed 1955, so it's just about hitting. It's always good to be in front of the screen when you're trading. It's always good to know what's going on, and because it was a delivery and I was on the phone, I came out of this one, but didn't really get a chance to explain the actual the alert here. And this is some of our new hour alerts, which if there's a candle below and then a candle starts below and breaches that middle Bollinger Band, we're going to get alerted. And these have been so good, pretty much all on the money. We've also got the opposite for the short. So if there's a candle above, could be a small green one or a red, and then a red candle starts above and comes below, we'll have an alert. So it would have been an alert here for a nice short. Not many come through per coin per day. That's why they're picking out the points and highly accurate. So really happy with them. So that was a null trade, but better to protect your money than to lose your money. Showing you just tips, tricks, strategies, what we're doing, how we trade, and sometimes it's okay to come out. Oh my god, I really do know what I'm doing. I did make this spreadsheet, I promise. I'm just going to copy in a few here, and yeah, record some more trades for you today. Testing these new alerts, which I'm very excited about. This also excited about testing the trading stop loss. I've got $10 in here. You can see it's 33% down and $3.37. I shorted Binance coin just here, but it's gone the other way. But it's okay. I'm just testing $10. Testing this trailing stop loss feature with Binance and just some of the parameters. For example, this would have been this was an alert last night that I traded in the early hours because these new alerts were keeping me awake. Yeah, you can see here BNB 111 13.44% profit. It took minutes, but this went up 3.16%. So yeah, 150% return is 3%. Now, you can't always get that, obviously, but I'm just showing you there was a 3% rise in this coin. The trailing stop means you can lock in your profit, but then set a trailing stop to trigger. And what that will do is follow the coin up and then sell it if it tanks down. Now, it probably would have sold here. However, if that went up to like up nearly 2%, but then you had your trailing stop at like 0.5, it still would have been like 1.3, 1.4% profit, which 100% is 2, so 50, maybe 50% profit and not 15 without doing anything else, just setting the trailing stop. So we've been testing this, but just doing things in order. It's a great new feature of Binance. Trailing stop here. You get a callback rate and activation price. We're going to have the strategies and education coming up for this. Of course we will. Once I've lost loads of $10 to get you the best strategy for this. Okay, a few seconds has passed. We had an alert for waves. Again on these new hour alerts. Candle below, candle breaching. We'll just come on to the hour. So I put an order in for 3.26. I just missed out. It was at like 3.25 just as I came on, but flicking to the 15-minute candles, it yeah, it's looking nice. 3.3. We only need 3.269 here. May have missed this one. That is a shame. It's just a second too late there. But this is why these alerts are great. If we just look back here, if we just look back to this is a drop, horizontal, and then we've had this alert. So I'm just going to cancel this one. No open orders. What? Waves. So that would have been profit already, easily. But yeah, we've had this down, we've had this horizontal. We're on the hour candles. Always after a drop, we have a horizontal area, and then it kind of gradually comes back to going in the other trend. And a good signifier of that is crossing these Bollinger Bands. You know, here we've had a bit of a rise. It's come back below the Bollinger Bands and proceeded down. I mean, it doesn't do this every single time, but if you just step back and have a look, you know, what's this done after this rise? It's come down. We would have had an alert here, and it's proceeded to go down. So we're probably just getting ready here for another up. I've kind of missed this one, so I'm going to be disciplined and not jump in. Because we've got plenty more alerts coming through. Let me just check while I am recording. If not, I'll come back to you as soon as we do. I'll be trading all day anyway, so Litecoin long. I do like Litecoin. Let's have a look. It's looking rather tasty, isn't it? 58. Let's get in at 58. It's going above that now. 58. So we need 58.174. This only goes to 2 decimal places. So we'll see if we fill on this amount, see what happens. 58 to 58.17, it's not a lot to ask for, is it? Just had a one for theta as well. Let's have a look. How's my Binance trailing stop loss short doing? Not so good. Dash can go. Oh, you know what? I'm going to raise this slightly. 58.04. Because guess what? It looks like it's going up. Theta failed. Great. My coin looks like it's nearly filling. Filling in a second, it should be theta. Come on, Binance. Painful. So 58.04. Looks like we are filling. We filled. This is really slow. Okay, so 1 hour. So this one isn't quite so pronounced. It looks like it's going up, but it's not kind of. This is a bit of a reversal. So this isn't one of the. This one's a lot more pronounced. You see, we've had a big down. We've had then an up. We would have had an alert here, and yeah, it's gone up a lot. So 58.21. Let's round that up to 58.22. If you can cope with that, Binance, please. 58.26. You see the red line there. This has come down. It's come down on a big. We've had a kind of double bottom here, which normally happens. I'm not even going to draw it, but it's down, up, a double bottom. I never use this tool. I hate it. And this is what happens time and time again before things going up. You can see one there. You would expect this to go up and hit these Bollinger Bands and then have a nice rise up. It's not always correct, and we might be wrong, but we have a stock market protection in to protect us from that. So I'm going to put that in and sell short if it comes down. In fact, that should be on 30. 69. Okay, well, I'll check back in shortly, see how this trade is doing. Okay, 10 minutes or so later, we're at about what we came in at. It's been wavering around, still kind of trying to head up. The Binance experiment got stopped out, which is fine, just $10. But we did just have another alert for, so the theta alert was good. XMR's just coming in. Got a real nice flow to these alerts. There's just one like random coin coming in every, I don't know, 20 minutes, half an hour or so. So, and that's been the same for the last 24 hours. And, yeah, just a good flow, good flow. XMR, what time did that come in? It came in 11:18, 3 minutes ago, so 1 hour. Just looks like it's going up. Everything looks like it's going up at the minute. Not as pronounced here, as I've said, but it looks like that double bottom before the up. So look on the 15-minute candles here. Yeah, wow. What bandwidth have we got here? Still 0.38. Just going to keep in the light coming for now, so I'll report back when this has come in. Turning into a bit of a fragmented day. Just had a shower and then saw the trade came in. It went up to 89.37. We needed 89.22, so the 100 has turned to 116. And then I had another delivery. I don't know what's happening today. So I'm out of breath running around trying to make these videos and run live. But that's the good thing with the system. It's I could have a shower and not worry about losing all my money because my protection was in. So let's cancel that stock market order. Might just compound this up a little bit. Showed in the other video. Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. My C1M number is just 5 here. Again, I've been using a small amount to test the alerts. We're going to be coming out with loads of these videos for pro members. My C1M number 7. I need 5. So it's above, I'm on track, I'm on target. I'm making money. I mean, it's 172% return on investment, 172 from $100 in a few days, hardly trying. So yeah, happy with that. I'll sort this delivery out and then carry on trading. All right, back after a little break. We have an alert for Algo, and I've just made a mistake, and it's not a huge one. I mean, I'm in at 5582. It's 5582. The alert's breached the Bollinger Bands. It's looking good, but yeah, I forgot to do my leverage 250, which I'm using, and that's because I've been experimenting with this other hour technique with using 50% profit, 25% loss on a 50% success rate. So yeah, I was using a 20% leverage on this. Some of the coins you can use, there's different considerations for different amounts on different coins. Yeah, anyway, we are in this at 5582. We need 5598. So I'll come back shortly and let you know how it's gone. All right, a few minutes has passed and Algo is still looking good. It's not quite, it nearly hit, not quite, still confident it's going up. Yeah, I just thought I'd talk to you a little bit more about this strategy and these alerts. I mean, again, this is on these hour alerts with the green, well, candle below and then a middle Bollinger Band breach on the longs and opposite for the shorts. So, you know, it's alerting us really nicely to 2, 3, 4 coins an hour and along the 40 pairings for futures. And yeah, I mean, they're pretty much all coming in, which is amazing. Just wanted to go over my strategy here. This is basically using $100 to make $1,200 in the month. I mean, I'm only using a low amount, but this is, for example, if you were using 1,000 and you wanted to make $500 a day, that would be 6 days a week over the month, about 24 days. So it'd be 500 times the 24, 500. Yeah, is that right? Yeah. So yeah, 500 times at 24 is the 12 grand. So 15% profit and 30% loss. Fees are plugged in. I'm normally running at about 80% success rate with this kind of strategy, so that's what I've got plugged in there. Well, that's about to come in. 587. Yeah, so 11 trades per day, which, you know, take a few hours really. And as I said, we're going to do more videos with higher amounts, smaller amounts, different amounts, all types of amounts and strategies. There's just absolutely so much we've got to show you now, and they'll be coming out thick and fast, these videos. But what I wanted to just say is the main thing. I mean, my success rate is 74%. Now, a few things are going to be kicking out the old averages. Some of them I came out sooner because I didn't like the look of them, and half of them I was wrong, half of them I was right. So some of those would have been profit, but it's okay because I like to keep the money safe. That's all right. But just the main thing to be looking at here is this C1M number. Okay, so my planned thing, that's 4, so $4 per trade. If it was 1,000, that'd be $40 per trade, win or loss. But mine's 7, so that means I am, on track and almost double really on target for what we're doing. That one's just come in. Beautiful. As I said, I forgot 1, 2, 3, 14. I forgot to change the the leverage. The good thing with futures is the leverage does stay the same each coin that you use it, but as I said, I've been using a few different strategies for the futures. So let's compound this up a bit more on the next trade. Yeah, so just to conclude, the main thing is having this number higher than this number. That means you're on track. Even though if your success is a little bit lower than this, it's okay, because as the trades go on, the success percentage becomes a little bit more irrelevant. I mean, obviously it's still a big factor. I mean, the main thing is the return on investment to 178, $178 profit from 100, using 100 to start with, is great. So let's, yeah, wait for the next trade. Actually, I'll just check if there's any more while I'm recording now before lunch. Oh, we've had a short on XMR. Let's check this out. Not been getting as many shorts. Have tweaked a little bit. IOST, this was a great one. I mean, this alert came in. It's gone up 1.84%. Lovely. XMR. So, a short. Okay. So we've had a candle above, and yeah, this one's a bit not as pronounced. So if an alert came in like this, I just wouldn't be as mad about it, because sometimes you get, just things bobbing along the Bollinger Band for a little while. These are the best when it's kind of through, but just sometimes you'll get it, through, alert here, boom, short, in. Alert here, boom, long, done. Alert here, boom, long, done. But yeah, this is sometimes they're just like bobbling along, not knowing what to do. So I'd probably avoid this one. We can't really have the alerts 100%. So it is applying your trading knowledge and what's happening at the time. But I can definitely say I'm thoroughly happy with how these are coming out. So yeah, when we have another alert, I'll log back in and update you. Not had another alert, but we're going to, Richard and I treat these as these videos as kind of update videos for you guys as well, and just let you know what's going on and upcoming. I was talking about some of the alerts in the last video, and there's a few errors that I noticed even while trading them, which we're sorting. There's too many alerts coming through at the moment. So what we are doing, I've changed the duplication rule, or it's in process, and we're also updating some of these, so there'll be less alerts, more accurate, but they really are looking very good. Yeah, I'll look at trading these some today. I'm really just testing these hour ones, but yeah, I'll do a specific video and attach it to this 15-minute group when it's done on how to trade all of these 9 alerts. All right. Having my lunch now, I was rudely interrupted by one of these new alerts. What I'm loving, it was for Doge, by the way, on a short opportunity. Obviously, we've had a candle above the middle Bollinger Band on the hour. Then we've had a candle breach that middle Bollinger Band. So the low price has dipped below it. If you can see that, well, obviously the alerts come in, the alerts are right. That's happened there. So it's saying this is a short opportunity. Now these, again, the Bollinger Bands are quite narrow here. However, quite a lot of room in there. It looks like it's winding up really here to go one way, probably up. So I'm a little bit hesitant on this one. Let's look on the 15 minutes. That's coming down to. Yeah, let's give this one a go for a short. Let's go in higher though, just to get a good price. Let's go 3283. If I'm not as sure, sometimes I will just go in a bit more. Actually, that isn't in that much higher, is it? The coin seems to be moving quite slowly. 3283 short is 3273. God, you hardly need any movement. Let's leave it there because the order book, this is what I'm saying, here it would be easy to fill because there's not much volume here, but here there's quite a bit, as you go up the order book, there's more depth, there's more things going on. So I'll leave it there. I only need 3273 for this to come in, so that's really achievable because it's only there. It's on its way down, and normally things, once they've come up, they come down. I'm following on momentums. This is why the mid-Bollinger Band alerts are great because, generally it's catching those things that are on a trend. Here would have been one up, here would have been one short. Nice. Nothing much happening here. So yeah, let's see how this goes while I finish my lunch. I will come back. But yeah, I can't remember if I said, but what I'm loving about a lot of these trades is I'm getting coins that I didn't normally trade before. If you see here, I've been used to trading the top XRP, EOS, ADA Litecoin are my favorites. But then when I started testing these, Band, Atom, Theta Link, BNB, Atom, Ontology, Neo, Vet, Litecoin, Algo, some of these I've not really traded on, even I've traded on futures before, but they're all, well, pretty much all good. So, yeah, I'll keep an eye on this and report back. Quick update. I've finished my lunch, you'll be pleased to know. We came up here, it nearly filled, and then it went down to 3277, which is, we only need 3273. It's, maybe we miss it, maybe we don't. Again, I'm testing and educating you with the alerts, which is what this video is about. So even if it doesn't fill, we'll get to see what happens, because sometimes sometimes you just don't quite catch it, which is all part of trading. Sometimes it might be a partial fill. I'm going to leave it there. We've not had any more alerts at the minute. Let's have a look what's going on with the 15-minute alerts. Yeah, this is the green-red. This is the one that wasn't as accurate. I've changed this because we've got a green, green, red, red above the middle Bollinger Band for a short and a red, red, green, green below. What we've also done is I've changed this to this will have to be a green, 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 red. So after a big rise and then a full red candle finish. A lot more accurate, and likewise below the middle Bollinger Band for a longing opportunity at 3 reds and then a green. Sometimes there's 3 reds and a green, sometimes there's kind of 2 reds and 2 greens. So catching both of those reversal ideas, yeah, it's going to be really good. So that the duplication rule, and then these will be ready for you guys to use very, very soon. Next day or two, I hope. By the end of this week for sure. And what date is it? 26. All right, that went down to 327. It's a bit slow, this. So we've had another one for Zilliqa. I don't know if that was a short or a long. I can't remember. I just saw the ZIL ticker. So let's have a look. We'll be able to tell from what the hell's going on. So I guess that would have been a short because we've had a candle above and then it's come down. It's following this kind of trend line going up. And these Bollinger Bands. Yes. We'll stick to this Doge, I think. This is definitely more pronounced and short. This looks like it's kind of gradually making its way up. So this could easily bounce and come back off. So I'm going to stay away from that one at the minute. Nearly filled again. So slow. Alright, we'll come back when we've got more to report on. Okay, Doge, it nearly hit twice. It didn't. It's come down to what the profit would be. So in this case, I pretty much, well, it's coming back now. I pretty much would just cancel and come out. It's moving a little bit slow anyway. Now it's coming up. Okay. I was going to cancel. I'm going to cancel. Well, it's just a little bit slow. And yeah, a bit boring, so good to move on if you're not feeling it. I had an alert for OMG on a short. I'm going to go in a bit higher than what it's at, 516. 5.16 here is only 5.1442, which is actually higher than it is now. So, but it's bouncing around a lot, you see. So I'm going to just bank on this going up and hitting the short, and then getting an easy 2-minute win. That's the plan anyway. So let's see. The hour candles, yeah, we had a candle above, then the candles breached this band. The RSI doesn't really know what it's doing. And the 15 minutes, yeah, we've been kind of coming down. You'd expect this to come down more with the RSI in this position, and at least hit this band. These are widening as well a little bit, so you could expect this to come down and really hit the band and continue down a bit. Bouncing around an incredible amount. Getting close to hitting there. 5.15. 5.1. Oh, so close. Oh, and it's hitting partial fill, open orders. Okay. 5.1445 limit. So we only need it to go to there. I mean, that's not too much to ask, is it? Stock market 5.19. Well, that's just hit already. Okay, fantastic. Okay, so 1, 2, 3 went to 138, 12% profit, 138.16. Yeah, I mean, that took less than a minute. 12.2% return. Didn't even have a chance to put my stock market in. So yeah, a little lesson on if coins are going down, not to jump on too early, because they're always going up as they're kind of going down. But this is the main trend of down, as alerted with our 1 hour Bollinger Band breach short alert here, and checking out the 15, I see it's go down, but I put in something that was quite a bit higher. A lot of the times when you get in on shorts too early, you'll see your position go to minus 15 like immediately, and it's like, oh dear. That's telling you, if that's happening, that you could be getting in a lot better. And because you get in at a better price, getting your profit is a lot more achievable. So, that's super quick trading. I'm feeling really good about trading today. I'm just it's only 1:30. We've made, well, not loads of money, but for the money that we're using, it's a nice return. So, yeah, as I'm live to myself, I'll see if we had any more. Oh, a few. Wave short, XLM short, XXP short. So markets look like they're going down a bit. Let's have a look. Waves. So yeah, this is going down, isn't it? We've had it breach. 15 minutes. Let's do the same again. Let's 3.25. I've just pressed buy long on the stock market, luckily. Have a look at that. 3.25 short. So I'm putting it there when it's here, but oh dear. 3.25, we need 3.240, which is just about what it's at now. So again, I'm kind of putting in my short of what the price is now, just to get in at a good price. Doge, the alert earlier, well, that would have come in. It only went up a little bit. Actually, it did go at 0.9. That would have been fine. Yeah. So that alert was spot on. SXP. SXP. What the hell is that coin? Again, similar. Yeah, coming down. 3.23. Yeah, we'll just hang on here and see what happens. What was the third alert? Let's check it out. SXP, just to show you again, shorting. Candle above in the past one, and then this candle's breached, coming down. So, Link. Good old Link. Yeah, Zilliqa we didn't like, but probably still would have been good. I mean, these alerts, Jesus. Waves, we could have missed that. Maybe we see a better opportunity here. SXP. Link. Okay, so again, what have we here? It's breached the mid of Bollinger. We know this one now. Let's check out the 15 minutes. Yeah, I kind of feel I've missed the boat on this waves. Could have come up and got it. It didn't. No problem. We'll cancel. Repeat. We got 3816. I like yeah, like in the other video, $100 3 in a row makes you 50%. And really, that's all I'm aiming to make. You know, 50% return every day. 3 trades in a row on 15% compounded. Lovely. As seen here. $1,000. 1520 after 3 trades in a row. Can't always get 3 trades in a row, but hey, you can a lot. I'm on a roll. In fact, I am on a roll. That one was only a 0.7. I got out about what it was accident, like the way it was going. That's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 in a row, really. Pretty good. What would 10 in a row be compounded? Jesus Christ. 4,000. Maybe I should be going for that a bit more. Yeah. I mean, even if it was 100, it's $400. Pretty good returns. Not always recommending compounding, just showing the options. Anyway, I was going to look at trade, wasn't I? Link. Did a link. Okay, let's go halfway in this candle. 1,449. 14.449. So short. 14.449. Oh my god. Always click the sell before you put the number in. 14.40. Okay, so you know, this is in a downwards trend. So what are we doing? We're jumping on the downwards trend and just taking a little scalp and getting in on a good price on that way. It's going down more now. Maybe I'm getting in a little bit too high. Doesn't matter. Some come in, some don't. We saw on the trade before OMG it did. Waves it didn't. 14.405. Whether you're getting or not, it's just nice to know that you're picking the opportunities. I'd always wait a minute or two here and just see, because you know, as much as it starts sinking and that's when people jump on and be like, oh, gotta get in, gotta get in, gotta get on, it will just zoom back up again in a second. It's the nature of futures, the amount of volume and traders, and different kind of lengths of candles. I mean, by default, they come to the 1 minute candles. So you've got a lot of people that are just zooming up and down on these 1 minuters. And yeah, I mean, the fluctuations in the 1 minutes is incredible. 0.5% in 2 minutes. So we only need 0.3%. So, you know, some of these 1 minute candles are going that amount. Here it's coming up here, nice, 449. So let's flip back to the 15. See if we've had any more alerts while we're waiting for this one. Keep the momentum going. Oh, yeah. Oh. More shorts. This is really good because we were having a lot all longs this morning, and I was like, God, are the shorts working? But obviously these are tracking the markets in general. So, and what's good is it's just picking up the coins like 1338 IOTX, 1340 RLC comp. So they although the coins follow the same direction, because this is a mid candle interaction, i.e. it's as soon as that does interact, it's not the finished candle. You get alerts all throughout the hour, so it's as that coin is hitting it, you're going to get alerted, so you can jump on mid this candle. So you know, Link we had 13:35 7 minutes ago, so it was still in this candle we got it. Maybe it was because yeah, that was the right time. Yeah, so we've had a candle here. I've changed this to any candle, so the candle can be green or red. All good. So what do we have? What do we have here? Comp. Let's have a look at comp. We missed wave, so let's use that. Always try and so Link. Oh no, I thought the position opened up then. Comp. Okay, well, yeah. Guess where this is going? Down. Right, Link's hitting the bottom Bollingers. Again, I think we've missed that one, but this comp looks interesting. No idea what this coin is. So let's have a look at the hour. Yeah, let's come down. 15 minutes is coming down. 169. 16714. I'm not going to go too much higher. What do we need here? 167.14. Now an alert for VET. Let's have a look at VET. Look at that alert. Beautiful. I mean, that would come in. I'm literally cannot believe what I'm seeing. It's just so spot on. Okay, so there's that same pattern. 15 minutes, same pattern. You know what? I've missed that. 16816. $827. Gonna get in a bit more on the money here. The markets are going down. I've missed out. Well, I've got one, missed out on another. 16827. 6827. So that's filled 74 out of a lot. 300,000. I have 74. I now have more. Give me all the coins. Order is filled. So I need 16776. 776. Oh, that's had a nasty spike up. What was the others doing? Okay, I'm going to get ready to market sell this if it pumps above my stop market. I'm not going to put the stop market in just yet. I'm just going to keep an eye on it, because hopefully this is just a slight bit of support in the downward, which it normally is. Minus 15%, so I've got bandwidth to minus 30. Happy to lose a trade after 10 in a row, but it just looks like a bit of support with the, see it time and time again with coins. If they're going down, they're going down, but they do have these fluctuations, that would have been a perfect one, getting in on a higher price like the other two, which is why I do it. And you know, with the steady flow alerts, some you get, some you don't, but when you do, you've got it at a good price. This one we got in, we could have got it cheaper. We could have already been in the profit, actually. But it's very hard to pick that when the coins are moving this fast, which is why I'm just showing you to be patient, because there's always another trade in another few minutes. It doesn't take long to do all this stuff, does it? That's come back down again, so that's all right. 16798. Oh, it's already filling. Wowzers. So some of that's already filled. The order's there, filled. Beautiful. 153.31. 153.31. What coin was that? Vet. I'm losing track. Okay, so again, another really quick trade. These alerts, yeah, I hope you can see how amazing they are. The flow of them I just love. That's what alerts should be. They should be not coming in loads of different coins every minute. It should be that it's just alerting you to these really nice conditions of coins every now and then, and you'll see that there's only a couple for each coin in a 24-hour period, if that. But with the 40 coins there and a couple an hour, you know, it's the perfect kind of rhythm for these. We've just had a bit of a flurry now because the markets are going down, you know, and I've jumped on, well, 4 of them. 2 of them I traded. The other 2, it didn't quite hit. But yeah, we've had a Carver short, Ontology short, and yeah, I'm just really liking trading these other coins I've not really traded. So again, impossible to keep track of all these 40. I think with 25 pairings on futures, there's now 40, probably more now. Binance keep increasing them, and again, it's I don't want to look at 40 coins. I want to enjoy my day, and you know, I'm definitely enjoying my day. These last 4 trades here, we've turned 100 to 153. That one wasn't a bigger percentage because I messed up the leverage thing. I had it on 20, not 50, but look at that, just textbook. Why not? Let's have a look at a few more. Oh, actually, I've got a meeting in 10 minutes to discuss how amazing we're going to make the rest of the education. We're going to completely redo all of the education. I won't give too much away, but yeah, very excited. We're not stopping. We've got loads going on. And you're going to see a lot of releases, a lot of new stuff coming out now. Yeah, I'm going to pause it there, and I have been trading most of the morning making this video, so I've got a meeting to discuss how we're going to make things more amazing for you amazing people. Big love. Alright, back after a little break. Yeah, I just bought this some move rooms, and it actually hit the profit that I needed, 5.204. I didn't get my thing in time, but I mean, it's been up at 2271. We had an hour long alert because of this candle below and breach, as you know now. Just repeating. So yeah, this looks like it's heading up. We used That's a shame I missed out on that. Well, not missed out. I'm in the coin, but I would have already had the profit. 153.51. I've got to take out the profit. yeah, I'm just going to watch this and get back to you when we've got some activity. A few minutes has passed, got my protection in here at 30%. It's been down to about 15% under. It's nearly hit the sale. Again, still heading up. Be a shame if this stopped out. It's nearly sold twice. But yeah, we're kind of flicking around the 5-10% profit. Keeps having surges up, which yeah, this is on the 15-minute candles, so often shows coins. What I like to do is check it on the hour. If it looks good on the hour, and then I flick to the 15, and then I'm like, looking good here too. Sometimes the RSI might have already been at the top and coming down, and the candle's at the top of the Bollinger Band when the RSI is there. And then sometimes not. Sometimes it's like midway and the RSI is still coming up, and that's what I really like. I mean, it's not 100% cert, but it's kind of, we're going on momentum, we're going on following general patterns. But yeah, I've not had a losing trade yet, but I obviously don't want one. But if we have one, we have one. I was compounding up, which is the negative side of compounding. You compound your money up quite quickly, but yeah, you can very quickly lose more money if you're compounding up. But in any case, it's all a numbers game. You know, just keep trading, and if you've got your success percentage, you know, high, you know, you should be making money. Let's come down quite close, 20% under. Charging up again. Really volatile, a lot of these kind of medium cap altcoins on the futures. They do dart about a lot. That's why it's nice to have, I mean, it's never nice to lose 30%, but you have to have a strategy. You have to take some of the losses, because some of the coins will just go the other way in a blink of an eye, and if you don't have that protection in, you're just going to get liquidated. I mean, my liquidation price is 5.1370, which is around there, you know, which is not too much of a movement, considering these are only 15-minute candles. Yeah, a lot can happen in 5-minute candles. So, well, I've showed you earlier the fluctuations that you can have. It's it can be pretty intense. Hell of a lot of activity. And I'm going to finish my apple, and I'll come back with the result on this shortly if we get nearer. Yeah, back here, I've just this coin's flicking about mad, and there's a big order in here, which it keeps kind of getting towards here and then coming back down. So I've just reduced mine down a bit below that, 5.199. I'm still confident it's going up. I don't really want to have I've cancelled my stock market accidentally. Well, I think I'm just going to keep an eye on this now. I should get my stock market back in, 5.158. That's there, yeah. It's, yeah, just crazy volume, crazy activity. It's all a lot of, I didn't press that. So I want to come out in a profit, but I don't want to, kind of got a bit edgy about this trade for some reason. So I'm going to listen to my, you know what, it's just lost momentum. I'm going to come out of this. I'm just going to hit mark. Oh, you bugger. What happened there? I'm just going to come out of this at market $160. And look at that. The order would have come in just before. Okay. Well, I came out in profit. I was trying to come out just as a small loss, but hey, I can't lose today. What's no problem there? I mean, I would have got the trade. It just seemed to have really slowed down there, and I was just having a little bit of edginess about it. So if you are feeling like that, I mean, you do have to have balls with trading. You do have to go for it, and you do have to stick to the plan. And sometimes it can look like it's coming down when you know the general trend is up. So you do have to stick with things like I've been showing you. I mean, there's a lot of the trades do go the wrong way. First of all, because you can't pick it. You're never going to pick it at that exact point. But I was particularly concerned about that because I was just going for 100 to 150 and then start again. So, I wanted to make sure I pulled out that profit and then just traded according to my plan, because that's what you generally do. I'm using different amounts and stuff, but yeah, that would have smashed that target. Oh well, it's still a profit. Don't be mad. Wow, that's just... You see, I mean, look, another alert gone good. Right, what other alerts have we got? They just, yeah, wow. OMG, oh, that was the last one, 1517, about 20 minutes ago. Let's have a look at the ZRX we had before this when I was on a break. I mean, that went just, yeah, great. Unbelievable. This is just a license to print money. ZRX came in at 6 minutes past 3, which was here, and look what's happened. It's gone up 1.6%. That's 5 lots of that. So that's about 75%, and it's still going. Unbelievable. Theta. Let's check that one out. That was at 5 past 3. Theta. Yep, there's the 3 o'clock candle, up 2.75. Wow. So yeah, this is why I'm going to start. I'll do some more videos upcoming with something like this strategy where we are going for those higher profits. Now, 50% profit, that'll be $100 to $150 in one trade. 50 leverage, that's a 1% movement. I mean, we've had that here. I've got a feeling with these candle lengths, this strategy is going to be really good, because then you stick a 25% stop limit on it just to give it that wiggle room. But if you do get it the wrong way and it stops out, then so what? You only need to hit half your trades, and to double your money. Let's just, I mean, we'll be doing more videos like this, but say 15 grand. Okay, let's put 10 grand. 10 grand. 8 trades per day on this. We're getting a nice amount, a good 2-3 per hour. But let's just say that day you did hit 2 out of 3. That's only 4 trades. Wow. I mean, $500, that'll be making $250 in a day. You could even just try and get 1 trade of those in, and 250 times 30 is 7.5 grand a month. Obviously, you're going to have losses, and that's why we have to have a strategy like this. We have to have a plan, and you have to take the losses. But a 50% strategy, I mean, you could probably just close your eyes and pick a coin. And I think I said this the other day in the video. I'll have to stop saying that. It's not very professional. Okay, Zilliqa has come in. We've already got that one open. We had a shorting opportunity on that one earlier here, and it shorted. And now, we'll look a bit late to the party here. Why is that when it just come in? It's because, yeah, that was the candle below and this is the breach, even though that's there, I think. So now I'm like, yeah, a bit late to the party on that one. God, just so many opportunities. I mean, I wouldn't be surprised if this just kept going. The 0.3 is only that amount of movement. It's unbelievable. But there could be some the sell-offs towards the top Bollinger Bands here. But you do tend to get some. Another strategy is, just playing these upper Bollinger Bands and trimming off these top bits when it hits 0.36%. There's your 15%. Not there. I mean, there it's gone through a bit. Or trimming off the bottom. It hits. you got 0.6, 0.7, 0.7 move there. Wow. All right. Well, I might call this a day today because I got 2 hours of sleep last night, and this video is an hour long. I think that's probably enough. We made 71 today, but I'm only using small amounts, and some of them were, I made a few mistakes on. I mean, the returns are just crazy returns. This is 215% return in a few days. So I hope you've got something out of this, guys. As I said, we're going to be doing these pretty much most days until we've got a really big library of all these different strategies. I'll move more onto that one. If you are new to this, we've got a link in the description where you can sign up for the course and get involved. We offer it all for free. The only thing we charge for is the alerts. So $47 a month, which I've shown you on this video. They're alerting you to, well, just opportunity after opportunity. And I'll use a higher amount tomorrow, and I think I'm going to switch to this strategy. So that's the video that will be coming to you very soon. You know, I'm going to, based on my success today, I mean, the success isn't going to be as high because it might not be as easy to get those gains. But God, when the Bollinger Bands are widening and you get one of these alerts here, it's like, yeah, I need 1%, and that's nearly 3%, 50% on your money. And if you get it wrong, I mean, this would have been alert here, short it here, long it here, long it here, short it here. There's a percent in every one of them. There's more that, well, loads of percents, mate. Loads of percents, great English. Many percentiles. Yeah, so that's a wrap. That's a wrap. More coming soon. You guys need any support, any assistance, let us know. Yeah, futures, just playing with $100. I mean, not even trying. And yeah, so alerts should be with you very soon, guys. Big love.